Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stocks for beginners using Charles Schwab. First, you will need to open a brokerage account. Visit the Charles Schwab website and click Open an Account. You'll provide personal information like your social security number and employment details. Then, link your bank account to fund your new brokerage account, perhaps with an initial deposit of $500. This process is straightforward and typically takes about 10 to 15 minutes to complete online. Once your account is funded, it's time to research. Charles Schwab offers robust tools, including analyst reports and screeners, to help you find potential investments. Think about companies you understand and believe in. Consider your risk tolerance. Some stocks are more volatile than others. Aim to diversify your portfolio, perhaps by investing in 3 to 5 different companies across various sectors to spread risk. Ready to buy? Log into your Schwab account and find the Trade section. Enter the ticker symbol for the stock you want, like Apple for Apple. Decide how many shares you wish to purchase. You'll then choose an order type. A market order buys immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific maximum price you're willing to pay. Review your order carefully before submitting it. After buying, it's crucial to monitor your investments. Check your portfolio regularly to see how your stocks are performing. Don't be afraid to adjust your holdings as your financial goals evolve or market conditions change. Remember, investing is a long-term journey, not a sprint. For more insights on building wealth, check the description below for a link to a highly recommended book and other valuable deals. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.